Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to get rid of yellow dot on the Snapchat. So if you want to get rid of the yellow notifications on your Snapchat, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I will let you know what is the reason behind the yellow dot on the Snapchat. Sometime whenever you open your Snapchat, you will find dot on your bitmoji. So this is basically a kind of the notification by the Snapchat. So whenever you have a new notification from the Snapchat, you will see that type of the dot. So simply you have to tap on it, and once you will tap on it, that dot will be removed easily from your Snapchat. So as I told you that this is just a notification, not a big deal. So right now, as you can see, here is the blue dot. It means new things are in available in the store. So now I will go back, and you can see that dot will also be removed from the Snapchat. So this is just a notification. By tapping it, you can get rid it of it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.